Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to change cabin filter on a 2019 to 2022 RAM1500. I don't know if this is the same procedure for the earlier models or not, but I'm gonna show you on this one how to do it. In this video I'm gonna use a Bosch. This is nothing particular or anything. I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. I just found this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the links down in the description below if you want to pick one up for your truck. What we're gonna have to do is over here, apparently, let's see here, got a good coverage. I think so. We're gonna have to take this glove box out somehow. So okay, apparently you gotta grab it over here and pull it towards you. Yep, like that. And pull it out like that. It's a little bit hassle, nerve breaking, but that's how it is. And over here you got a little tab on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm sorry, it's kind of pain in the butt, but there is a little tab. You pull the tab and that's gonna expose the filter right there. I'm curious to see how bad it is. There we go. Here's the little door comes out. And then there is a filter right there. We're just gonna pull that out. Let's see what it looks like. 20,000. Oh my god, guys, look at this. You guys gotta change this every year. I've been way too long. Look at it. That is, and of course now the chopper is going over here, right there. Look how nasty that is. Oh my god. Alexandra, look. 2 years. Look how nasty that is.
Ew.
I know. Okay guys, well, for some of you guys that likes to replace this with the original part, there is a part number right there. I'll see if I can find it and I'm gonna put a link down in the description below so you guys can buy your original filter. But like I said, I'm gonna use this one right here and I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. So let me show you how to put this back together and wrap up this video. Wow guys, I cannot wrap my mind around it, how dirty this little filter is. I'm not even exaggerating. Look at this. Look at this. OMG. This is supposed to be white like this. Look, it's bloody black. That is nasty. For a contrast, the engine air filter, nice and clean. That I just replaced after 2 years and 20,000 miles. That's nice and clean. But look at it, cabin filter. This is insane. All right. Well, let's go and install the other filter in. Let me take this apart. Oh guys, tell you the truth, this Bosch air filter seems like a little bit better quality than the OEM one. But I'm gonna try to find the OEM one. I'm gonna put the link in the description below if you guys wanna order that one, the OEM. But this one is very nice. I think, like I said, this one is a little bit better than the stock one. I think anyways. I don't know what that is. Let's see how this goes. Flow. It says the arrow flows down, so we're just gonna shove this in like that. Let's see if it fits. And like that. As you can see right down in there. I'm sorry guys, this is very awkward situation over here. Trying to do my best here. That's the filter right down in. Now here's the door, little door. You're just gonna put it over a top and there is a clips on the side, they're gonna clip in. Well, that went nice and easy. Now let's see how you're gonna do with a glove box. Alright guys, honestly the hardest part about this was putting the gloves box back in. So what you're gonna have to do is there is a tabs down on the bottom. You're gonna try kind of to line them up as best as you can, and then just very gently push down, and they're gonna clip in and everything gonna fall in place. So there you have it. Gloves box is back on. Shut this light off, and the job is done. Like I said, I had to cut the camera off to get it realigned nicely, but like I said, you're gonna line up. I'm sorry, it's kind of awkward to film these guys because of the position down there. I had to go underneath that and line up. There is 3 tabs right down here, 1, 2, 3. You line those up and kind of gently push the glove box down, and then like so you're gonna line them up and push it down, and then just close it up, and that's it. The job is done. Okay, well, I've tried to do the best I could, guys, but that's like a little maintenance, and I'm telling you, I was shocked, and I'm still shocked how dirty this little filter was. So I would suggest you replace this every year, and don't even feel bad if you haven't replaced this every year. Every 2 years it's totally fine. The filter is nice and clean, but the cabin filter every year. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye bye.